Shiba Inu and Pepe have been a huge fan favorite and favorites within the channel, but also within the crypto world. They are currently facing some serious struggles with prices dropping, you guys, and competition really heating up. My question is simple. Can these coins find a bounce back? Let's break it down. I'm a long-term investor in SHIB, so this is important to me, and I do day trade Pepe, so this is important to me. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Shiba Inu and Pepe, two of the most well-loved meme coins, and they're currently navigating through some of the toughest challenges in the market. They've got reduced trading activity, which is stressful. It's got falling prices, and it's got increasing competition from new cryptos that are coming out, for example, the Trump and Melania tokens. And all of us are here wondering what's next for these, right? In today's video, I want to take a closer look at what's happening with everything, explore the reasons behind some of these struggles, and discuss what these developments mean for the future of the meme space, because SHIB is the mother of all coins. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure you're checking the description links below for free money, and let's dive in. Right off the bat, let's talk about the SHIB chart. Let's talk about the SHIB chart, my baby, all right? Oh my God, we're down under the twos. You guys, if you are watching the lives and you're consistent on the channel, you can see that we caught this. We got this drop right here. I actually didn't take a short on BTCC. I took a short on Bitcoin instead, and we're up in profit. So easy. Look, you guys, the margin position is costing me $198, and we're already at $485 in profit. So we're 245% of this. If you want to trade and want to day trade like this and be able to take leverage on this stuff, you guys, there is a link below for a $10,000 deposit bonus that you could benefit from. And it's so easy to close out. Like, look, I can literally just close this bad boy out right now, and it will 100% just took profit. We just took a $480 profit on the channel live, showing you guys how simple it is. And you can trade SHIB on this. You could have shorted SHIB from right here and done a 50x leverage at a 4% gain. That's about a 200x or 2x on your money to 200% gain. But what we currently see with SHIB itself is it is taking a drop, and we want to see if it stabilizes down here. That's the reason we had this line. I'm going to keep it here. So let's see if it does finish stabilizing and it has the capability to maybe bounce back up a bit. If it does, we could go back up to the 0.000223 range. But I do think if we take a drop, which is what it's currently looking like it's going to do, we're going down to the 0.001794 range. And that's a little stressful. That's a little stressful, right? And if we compare Pepe to it, it's looking the exact same way. With Pepe, it's even actually worse, you guys, because we broke out of our last support, which is now, in a sense, resistance. And we can see it became resistance right here. We can see it took a new resistance right here, right? So now we're just waiting to see if it's going to consolidate that resistance. And if we do this, we're kind of down already 7% on the 2-day chart, right? Or the 2-day time frame. So it's just something to think about. The market isn't looking too great for those two, but let's compare some fundamentals now that we've seen the charts and see if something to make a difference. Now, Shiba Inu and Pepe, they are, as we all know, two of the most iconic meme coins. Right now, they're definitely facing a lot of challenges as they're trying their best to stay relevant in this rapidly evolving crypto market. Shiba had the toughest weekend. We know that, right? With the price dropping due to the recent activity from all the whales, large investors, and growing doubts about its long-term utility, especially with launching Leash and Tree. They haven't seen much volume change from that as I would like it to be. Now, can a token built on hype, you guys, continue to thrive when its competition is fiercer than ever? And this is in regards to Pepe, right? Because Pepe has seen a significant decline. If you had started shorting Pepe, I don't even know how long ago, you would be up in so much profit. BTCC does let you 50x leverage Pepe. Pepe is down about 48% from the all-time high. 48% times a 50x, and that's hard to catch. Don't even feel bad. Let's just do a 40% times 50x is an actual 200x position. You would have 200x whatever your margin rate is. So definitely check that link below and use it to your advantage. Now, besides the drop, we saw it do a 22, besides the big drop of 45% or so, we saw it do a drop of 22% since the weekend, and it's currently breaking below the critical support that we just showed, that white line, right? And on top of that, we see it breaking through the EMAs. So right now, all around, it looks like it's going to continue retracing. And then on top of that too, daily active addresses for Pepe are dwindling so freaking fast. And this is raising concerns about fading interest from traders and the community within the token. Now, in the Shiba end, developers are pushing forward with updates like the Shibarium blockchain I do understand that progress has been slow for all of us, and the market appetite for practical, utility-driven projects is leaving little room for no error, right? We can't have any errors on this. And right now, we do have a very, very pivotal question to think about. Can these two cryptos adapt and find their footing in the world where investors are currently favoring real-world use cases and then, more importantly, lasting potential? Or is this the end for these two meme coins as dominance? I don't believe it is for SHIB. SHIB is the mother of coins. My personal opinion is it is here to stay. I do want to hear what you guys are thinking, so definitely comment that below. And then my opinion on Pepe, I do actually think we're going to see a bigger drop for Pepe here. Let me show you guys in the chart what I'm actually envisioning. I think we're going to take Pepe down to here, and it's going to consolidate in this area. So we've got another 40% drop, just because that is where it stabilized before. Right, and it is like right now, yes, we're at its last all-time highs, but I do see a potential for it to drop all the way down to here. This is where it stabilized originally and had a big consolidation zone. They are still going to be one of my favorites, both SHIB and Pepe, and I do have a long-term faith for SHIB, so if you're a faith supporter, click that like button. And the recent struggles and their highlights to these challenges does mean that they're going to have to evolve in this market. Do you guys think that they're going to find their way back up to the top? I do with SHIB, but I definitely want to hear your opinion, so comment that below. And more importantly, if you guys are playing with DeFi and you're playing with meme coins and you need to file taxes because the season is almost here to be required, make sure you contact us and see if you qualify to work with us or if we're even going to be able to help you guys. We do DeFi tax management and we'll help you generate the reports that you need to file it with your accountant and the government. All right, you guys? So make sure you're smart. You've got your taxes ready to go and you've got your fees available to be written off and the coin fees, as there's a lot of coins that charge taxes that these programs don't get. So I do hope that helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure you're subscribed. I'll catch you guys on the next video.